No, you know, growing up as a young football fan, I was never a big fan of German football. Not after being smitten by the Brazilian skill and flair. Germany was Brazil's opposite and rival that played that ugly mechanical football. Never liked them at all. But all of that is changing for two reasons. Now, first of all, a German coach named Jurgen Klopp is working wonders at my club Liverpool, strategically and systematically putting Liverpool back on our perch. And then now, the Germans in their pioneering and innovative role in the restart of football in the COVID crisis. While the other countries are preoccupied with chattings, the Germans have again led the way in providing a blueprint for the restart of football. It was important that someone demonstrated to the world that sport is not dead and football is not buried, and that within the limitations of the COVID best practices, football can play. By actually restarting the Bundesliga, a loud message has been sent to the other football nations, England in particular, that they must hurry up and restart the EPL so that Liverpool can get the little 6 points and wrap up the Premier League. So we are saying, big up to the German people and for German football. Yes, I want to tell you this. If Brazil continue with the foolishness by next World Cup, a German in their brain.